In this video, I'll show you how to set your own photo as the background on Google Keyboard, right on your Android phone, and without using any extra apps. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just go to settings, scroll down and select system, and select keyboard, and select on screen keyboard. Click on this right arrow in Gboard, select the theme option, and here you can able to see default fonts. If you want to set, you can select one of the font and select apply to save it. And now scroll up and under my themes, select the plus icon. Select the photo that you want in your keyboard. I'm gonna set this. Select next option, and you can adjust the brightness, increase or decrease the brightness, and then select done option. Select the apply option to save it, and the theme has been saved. Now just close out of here, and I show you in WhatsApp by using that. So you can see the keyboard image has been changed, and that's how you can set your photo on Google Keyboard on Android. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.